Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COHSEM Manipur. Unit 1 Sets, Relations and Functions. Topic Sets. Subtopic Practical Problems on Union and Intersection of two sets. Exercise 1.6. Practical Problems on Union and Intersection of two sets. 1. Prove that end of A union B is equal to end of A plus end of B if A intersection B is phi. Roman number 2. End of A union B is equal to end of A plus end of B minus end of A intersection B. Roman number 3. End of A union B union C equal to end of A plus end of B plus end of C minus end of A intersection B minus end of B intersection C minus end of A intersection C plus end of A intersection B intersection C. Solution 1. The elements in A union B are either in A or in B but not in both as A intersection B equal to phi. A union B di yauba elementsing asidi A da natraga B dani animakta natte maramdi A intersection B se phi haibadi mabani ge common element laite. Let us see. Universal set amasidi rectangle na khangnagani. A hariba set asina isigi circle asina khangnaro. B hariba set asina B hariba set adus ani suba circle jana khangnarasi. Set singasi hauzik ani se common element amata laitaba asumna samnadana yekani. Ani gi A union B di yauba element asidi either A or B but A amasum B gi common element amata laite. So end of A union B is equal to end of A plus end of B if A intersection B equal to phi. Roman number 2. The set A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are disjoint and their union is A union B. Let us see. Set anigi union asida sigi asina A minus B ki jaga bu khangnagani. A minus B ki jaga di sigi sina A minus B bu represent togani. Aduga muk B minus A hairagadi siga horizontal line asina represent toriba jaga asilebe element singna B minus A or B difference A ki element sing oigani. Siga unshaded jaga haibadi oblique line siyauba horizontal line siyauba sisina A minus B khangnagani sigi jaga asina A intersection B khangnagani sigi jaga asina B minus A bu khangnagani jaga ahum asi portion ahum asi an id amaga common element laitaba sigi su common element laite sigi su common element laite left amsu right animak se common element amata laite aduna masigi shaded portion singa si pula punjulagadi machina taibasi A union B ni. So end of A union B mataki property asi palabadi end of A minus B plus end of A intersection B plus end of B minus A asina P gani. End of A minus B asi ahan tamani si combine tori. Aduga last term asi aikoin end of B minus A plus end of A intersection B hapchile masi balance taunabagi dabak minus end of A minus B term ani asidi amuk plus amuk minus ni sidi aikoin portion ani asidi end of A na khangnaragani sigi portion asina end of B na khangnaragani end of A intersection B remains unchanged. Masigi koina khange end of A union B is equal to end of A plus end of B minus end of A intersection B. For Roman number 3, we have end of A union B union C is equal to end of A plus end of B union C minus end of A intersection B union C. A union B na A na first term oina lauraga mathaki property 2 asi panma matamda B union C na B oina treat tawbani asuna phangi. N top A length na laire N top B union C se amuk property 2 se hanjina palabade sigi jaga asidagina N top B union C se sigi jaga dagi asina C ori masi asumna phange. But N top A intersection B union A intersection C asidi union ki formula number 2 palabadi N top A intersection B plus N top A intersection C minus N top A intersection B intersection A intersection C pale asuna phange masi amuk si bring down C intersection tawrabadi A intersection B intersection C oirani common reason si hari basi ki value ase mathaki tama sida minus da puri basi da sinjalabadi we get thus N top A union B union C is equal to N top A N top B N top C N top B intersection C sigi damakta di N top A minus N top A intersection B minus N top A intersection C sida minus da puri da di plus N top A intersection B intersection C pang. Exercise 1.6. 1. If x and y are two sets such that n of x is 17, n of y is 23, and n of x union y is 38, find n of x intersection y. Habasi putu haibani. Hariba value singasi koi pire. Ozik diagram oina hanang amtung yengsi set anisigi union adu. Union set asina khangna rasi sini x bu khangna rasi sini y bu represent holasi end of anigi union di 38 haire end of x di 17 end of y as di 23 sidalari ba element tu ga si suppose mabani puthokadaba element asina coin x ne hana logselasi x ohelasi x ka sina 17 minus x orani sina 18 23 minus x oishin gadaba portion ahum si tinjalaga ahum jigi sum de suppose 17 minus x plus 23 minus x asi pulap puna 38 tagadam sidagi khoine x to solve to ya x ani kakhanagari minus x amala hore sigadi 30 40 lare 40 minus x equal to 38. This gives x what? X is 40 minus 38. 38 added is 2. Mathematically symbol we have to use n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Using this formula and putting respective values for x union y, we have to put 38. For n of x, we have to substitute 17. For n of y, we have to substitute 23. Minus n of x intersection y, which is to be found out. Solving n of x intersection y, we get 40 minus 38, that is 2, which is the value of n of x intersection y. Question 2. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? Here n of x union y is 18, n of x is 8, n of y is 15, n of x intersection y is what? How many elements does x intersection y have? Let us draw roughly. This set denotes x, this denotes universal set. This set denotes set y. Suppose x is common element is x. This must be 18 minus x. This must be 8 minus x. This must be 8 minus x. This must be what? This must be 15 minus x. Then their sum should be 18. We get 18 equal to 8 minus x plus x plus 15 minus x. Cancelling these two terms, we get 23 minus x. Solving x, we get x equal to 23. X equal to 23 minus 18. 23 minus 18, that is part. Using end of x union y equal to end of x plus end of y minus end of x intersection y. Putting their respective values, we get end of x intersection y is 23 minus 18, that is 5. Therefore, end of x intersection y is 5, that is number of elements in x intersection y is 5. For question number 3, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Mi samani leibada sani yankai na Hindi ngangi, sani na English ngangi, animak ngangba mi kaya leibage hangbani. Let I and E be the sets of the people who speak Hindi and English. Then end of i's union E is 400, end of i's is 250, end of E is 200, end of i's intersection E is what? As end of i's union E is equal to end of i's plus end of E minus end of i's intersection A. We get end of i's intersection E is 250 plus 200 minus 400, that is 50. Thus, the number of people who speak both Hindi and English is 50. Question number 4. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have? We have end of S is 21, end of T is 32, end of S intersection T is 11, end of S union T is what? Diagram da muktang solve tobang yengsi. This is S, this is T. Intersection da 11 elements later hare. End of S to 21 adu di mahaki 10 tarani. End of T have 32 ni 32 di mahaki di 20 go 1 later ni. Hozik end of S union T kaya later ni. End of S T 10 plus 11 plus 21, that is 40 50 44 to 42 later. Diagram na su yam to na solve to bang ame hozik amok mathematically yengsi. Using end of S union T is equal to end of S plus end of T minus end of S intersection T. Respective values in Thamasi, end of S is 21, end of T is 32, end of S intersection T is 11, we get 42. Implies end of S union T is 42. For question number 5, if X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have? Here end of X union Y is 60, end of X is 40, end of X intersection Y is 10. As end of X union Y is equal to end of X plus end of Y minus end of X intersection Y. Put their respective values, which for 40, which for 40, which is 60, which is 40, remains unchanged 10. Solve end of Y, we get 60 minus 30, that is 30. Thus Y has 30 elements. Question number 6. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Mi 70 da 35 na coffee pami, yang kaini toy na sa pami, mi pung kudimak yamdrabada drinks anidugi manunda amadi thakpa hai. How many people like both? Animak pamba mi masing kayano. Let C and T be the sets of persons who like coffee and tea. Then end of C union T is 70, end of S C is 37, end of T is 52, end of C intersection T is what? S end of C union T equal to end of S plus end of T minus end of C intersection T. We get end of C union T is 70 law, end of C 37, end of T 52, end of C intersection T is remains unchanged. Solve this. We get 89 minus 70 is 19. Thus, the number of persons who like both coffee and tea is 19. Question number 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? Let C and T be the sets of persons who like cricket and tennis respectively. Then end of C union T is 65, end of C is 40, end of C intersection T is 10, end of T or only what, end of T what? As end of C union T is equal to end of C plus end of T minus end of C intersection T. Using this formula, we get end of C union T is 65, end of C is 40, end of T is to be found out, end of C intersection T is 10, from which we have end of T is 35. But end of T only is given by end of T minus end of C intersection T, giving end of T equal to 35, end of C intersection T equal to 10, 35 minus 10, that is 25. Therefore, end of T only is 25. Thus, the number of persons who like tennis only is 25 and that of tennis is 35. Question number 8. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish, and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Committee amada mi yankai na French ngangi, mi kun English Spanish ngangi, animak ngangwa na 10 ni Spanish language, ani du yamdrabada amak ngangma ngamba. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Lo yamdrabada lon amang ngangba mi masing kayano. Let F denote set of people who speak French and S denote set of people who speak Spanish. Then end of F is 50, end of S is 20, end of F intersection S is 10. S end of F union S is equal to end of F plus end of S minus end of F intersection S. Put their respective values, we get 50 plus 20 minus 10, that is 60. Therefore, number of people who speak at least one of these languages is 60. Thank you for watching video.